Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best copper alcohol distiller on the market, the VEVOR Alcohol Still 8 Gal 30L Distillery Kit. If you're looking for a high-quality, reliable distilling kit, this is definitely one you should consider. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced distiller, this product offers excellent performance and versatility. Let's take a closer look at this alcohol still. The VEVOR Alcohol Still has an impressive 8-gallon capacity, which translates to 30 liters of raw material. It's made from food-grade stainless steel and copper, ensuring that your distillation process is both safe and efficient. The copper tubing enhances the cooling process due to its rapid thermal conductivity, ensuring that the distilled product comes out at the right temperature. It also features an open-type cooling method with a water circulation pump, which helps save cooling water while maintaining effective cooling performance. One of the standout features of this distiller is the built-in thermometer that displays both Celsius and Fahrenheit, making it incredibly easy to monitor the temperature during distillation. The distiller also includes a Thumper Keg, which allows you to add flavor to your distillates, a fantastic addition for those who want to experiment with different tastes. The Thumper Keg works in tandem with the condenser keg, which effectively helps with the condensation of the vapor, ensuring your alcohol is distilled at the perfect temperature. VEVOR has also ensured a secure sealing system with the use of food-grade silicone tubes that are tough and flexible, providing an expedited water flow without any unwanted bends or kinks. For added convenience, the distiller comes with a one-way air evacuation valve, which makes it perfect for grain fermentation. This valve ensures that your fermentation process is smooth and efficient, further enhancing the distilling experience. The unit can be used with various heat sources, including gas stoves, ceramic stoves, and electric coil stoves. Its thickened bottom allows for even heating, making it suitable for a wide range of heating methods, providing flexibility depending on what you have available at home. What's also great about the VEVOR Alcohol Still is its compact design. The distiller has dimensions of 13.78 by 13.78 by 18.11 inches and weighs just under 16 pounds, making it easy to store and manage. Despite its compact size, it offers a sufficient capacity to distill large batches, making it ideal for both personal use and small-scale production. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile, efficient, and high-performance distillery kit, the VEVOR Alcohol Still 8 Gal 30L is a fantastic choice. It offers everything you need to start distilling alcohol at home with ease and precision. With its copper tubing, Thumper Keg, water pump, and secure sealing system, it guarantees a top-notch distillation experience. This product is definitely one to consider for anyone serious about distilling their own alcohol, whether it's fruit wine, brandy, or even water purification. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews on the best products out there.